so we're here doing another one. And at the bottom, there's a little door, and then you pull the, what is this called? La cuerda in English. The cord, and then you open this. Yeah, you empty that, you pull it out. You see this filter's not that dirty at all. And then you just clean it out.
Some flour in there.
There was a flower?
Yeah.
Oh!
You want to rinse it out?
Yeah,
Oh, it's in there. Let me go and rinse it out.
And then in here, you get like a toothbrush or a rag or something, and you just clean it out inside. And then that's it. Turn it. Right? Ahora qué tiene?
We broke it.
No. No, ahora no quiere, huh? Huh. I wonder what the heck. So ahora qué trae?
The tube, and you have to adjust it to. It goes side, like in a halfway, not in the top, not in the bottom, but in this area. There's a little bar like this.
Okay.
And you have the little entrance right there, and then everything goes in. So this is done, and this is up here, and there it is.
Awesome. Yay! Good job, Theo.
And this is dirty.
And that is how you do it with a Samsung.
This is